Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today we shall be looking at US 500 Index Cash on the 4 hours time frame. We shall be talking about how the RSI Relative Strength Index really works. First and foremost, let's do the support and resistance levels. Now let's draw a ascending trend line, a descending trend line. Now let's add the RSI indicator. Nice. The RSI is a momentum indicator that evaluates the oversold and overbought conditions for a specific asset. Generally, when the RSI is at 70% here, this line, a trend or reversal or correction may happen. A trend reversal or correction may happen. The same idea happens when RSI hits the oversold zone at 30 here. And note, do not rely only on one thing. Look for more confirmation for a better signal. Now, we have the oversold here. Here. And the overbought here. This oversold here indicates a possible rise in price. And the price is also at the support level. And we can see here the price went high above our resistance level. Now, we have overbought here. And it indicates a possible drop in price. And true to the word, the price dropped. Now, we also have oversold here, almost. The price is also at a strong support level. Here, 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 and here. This is a very strong support level. This indicates that the price will rise again. And this is how the RSI works. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.